Welcome back, friends. Have you ever heard that lightning can't strike the same place twice? Well, with Affinity Photo, it certainly can. Over and over again if you want, or anywhere you want, or whenever you want. Let me show you how. Here's a cool little technique to make lightning I learned a while ago on YouTube. If you use the pen tool to trace an outline of a section of cloud, you can use it as a template for lightning. Let me show you. I'll make a series of clicks with the pen tool to make a jagged line outlining this cloud. Once I'm done, I'll click the Select tool and then drag it into place. Notice that my lightning layer is a light blue color. I'm going to duplicate it and make the top layer white. Then I'll go back to the blue lightning and apply a Gaussian blur to give it a little glow. Okay, that looks good. Now, I'm going to group the lightning layers and rasterize them. This will give us one pixel layer to work with. Now, I'll duplicate this layer. Right-click on the shape and scroll down to transform, then flip horizontally. I'll resize this new lightning streak and move it somewhere else, where it looks good. I'm going to do these same techniques over and over again until I have a nice pretty lightning bolt even Zeus would be proud of. I'll speed it so as not to bore you. Plus, it's kind of fun to watch at 4 times speed. Maybe 8 times speed. This is lightning fast. One last thing. We're going to use the clone tool to blend the top of the bolt into the cloud a bit. I'll insert a new pixel layer at the top, and we'll just make a selection of what to clone, then use the clone tool to paint over the top of the bolt a bit. Well, that's it, my friends. This little trick is so easy it's shocking. Get it? Thanks again for joining me today. If you enjoyed today's content, please click those like and subscribe buttons below. Have a great day, everyone.